I'm Neil Buchanan from Community State Bank. It's our 125th anniversary, and to have a little fun with it, we're bringing ice cream to our customers, who's helped us get to 125 years. So here we are at Flitz International, and I've got Ole here ready to show me what his product can do on our 1959 Shasta camper that we've turned into an ice cream delivery vehicle. So, Ole?
What we have here, Neil, is aluminum. You can see the water spots on here, the tarnishing over the years. And we're going to take is our Flitz polish, which is a polishing cream, almost like toothpaste. Actually put it right on the metal itself. And once you do that, you can do it by hand, or we're going to do it the lazy way, we're going to use a buffer.
Sure.
Now these buffers, they get attached to any drill. And you pop these on. And what we'll do, we'll run this drill around 1,500, 2,000 RPM. We go slow speed with the first. As you're polishing, you see some black coming off. Put a little pressure on it like this. I can take my time and go very slowly. And you'll see how that brings the aluminum to a brand new finish.
No kidding.
Now to do this whole piece, you're looking around 10 minutes, and you have a brand new piece.
And it's going to look fantastic.
Yeah, it'll stay that way for 5 to 6 months easily.
Wow.
Because the polish leaves a protective coating, just like wax, so you put anything on top because of preservative. You can actually feel the difference when you run your hands over it.
I can imagine. It looks smooth. Oh, yeah.
So you can do these areas here too. You do this right above the window here. This is all, again, all aluminum. Now because this is white paint, it will get a little dirty, but that you can take off with a little, like a liquid soap.
Okay,
or
any kind of
take it off. But again, you go slow speed first to apply it. When you press on it, just go slowly. And you're going to end up,
look at that,
with a mirror finish.
just like new.
Yeah. So actually, within 3 to 4 minutes, you'll have this thing cleaned up very easily.
Sure.